Well, I realise I have not done a video on a carburetor throttle synchronization balance, where you balance the vacuum flowing through each carb. So I'm going to do it on the Bonneville. You can do it with the tank in place, but just for clarity, I'm going to take the seat and tank off and do it that way. I have the tank off, turned around, and it's actually reconnected to the fuel line. Goes up here, goes into the petcock that's now over on this side. Yeah, it goes up here, connected to the petcock. So I've got it all fueled up. I took off my hose, joining those two ports. So I've got this dual port connected to the carb synchronizer. So I'm going to run it and make sure that I've got the carb synchronizers equal to each other on the one vacuum. It's important to do. I've got the choke on at the moment. As you can see, they're pulling about the same vacuum. We're in the ballpark, so it looks like we've got the right value. If I wanted to adjust it further, there's a little screw in each one of these. You take the cover off, adjust the screw, but this is about as accurate as they get. Okay, so now I have the synchronizer lines hooked up both sides. Got a cap on the back one, synchronizer on the front one. The screw I'm going to adjust is right in there. A little hard to see. Having trouble focusing. There we go. Yeah, so it's this screw right at the end there. That's the one that gets adjusted. So I've got it started, and you can probably hear it's off. And I look at the vacuum gauges, and yeah, well off. So now I do the adjustment screw. Got to find out which way it likes to be turned. Yeah, if you push too hard on it, it will rev the engine up. I'm going to have to put the camera down so I can tell what I'm doing. I think yeah, you can hear it getting better. A bit more. Seems like it might be about it. Both needles, this one was slightly higher than that one when I looked at the sync, so I think that's good.